Hello everyone, my name is Vesna Todorovic and welcome to another English class, to another adventure. What we are going to talk about today is the correct use of the verb have and the verb have got. What we're going to focus on is actually the negative form of these two verbs, have and have got. If we want to say that we do not possess something, we will use the verb have with auxiliary. What is auxiliary? You remember, it is the same verb that we use to make questions. So it will be, for example, I don't have a car. My sister, she, is that right? She doesn't have a car. So as you can see, I used the verb don't and doesn't plus the verb have. I don't have a car and she doesn't have a car. Don't have, doesn't have. Now let's move on to the verb have got. Always to express possession, or in this case, the lack of possession or no possession whatsoever. So by saying the same thing, describing the same situation, it will sound, I haven't got a car and my sister hasn't got a car. So what we did, we just added not and linked it, connected it to the verb have. I haven't, I have not, right? So I haven't got a car, or she has not or hasn't got a car. So as you can see, I used haven't got and hasn't got. However, the form that I most often receive from my students is I haven't a car, or she hasn't a car. So the negative form is haven't or hasn't. Is it correct? What do you think? I'm afraid it's not. Why? It's because if you're using haven't, then don't forget the word got. I haven't got a car. She hasn't got a car. So I would like to conclude that there are two forms to express the lack of possession or no possession, which are both correct. The first one is by using the verb have with the negative auxiliary. So I don't have or she doesn't have in the present, didn't have in the past, will not have in the future. The second option, which is also correct, is the form I haven't got. So haven't got and hasn't got. I hope that you understood everything and that you liked this video. Of course, if there is anything that you did not understand, feel free to write me. You know how to find me, and I hope to see you soon for our next adventure.